Hello and welcome to our bird hide. I wanted to show you over the next couple of days what birds are currently coming into our bird hide. This bird hide is on our property, so it is a private bird hide, and it would be a total shame to keep it all to myself. So I've decided to make some videos here to show you what is coming into the hide. It's a really good opportunity to see the birds up close. So hopefully I can get some footage over the next couple of days and make a video to share. Anyway, rule number one is to be really quiet in the hide. Although the birds can't see you, of course, lots of noise will scare them away. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get started. Fingers crossed. So the main attraction to the bird hide is definitely the water. We actually have 2 bird baths. The closest bird bath is on the front stage, and we have actually carved a bird bath out of the rock. So it really attracts the smaller birds because it's so shallow, especially the fairy wrens. The back bird bath is deeper, and we also have the larger perches for the larger birds to come in and safely land. We do sometimes put out treats. You probably notice the grapes hanging on the higher perch that the 3 yellow-throated miners were interested in. We usually put the grapes out to attract the bowerbird. We don't always put grapes out, just every now and then. Now, you've probably noticed the sand in front of the back bird bath. It was actually put there a couple of years ago during a big flood. We actually had a pile of sand over at the house, which we were usually using to sandbag. And the rainbow bee-eaters actually came in and tried to burrow in that pile of sand. We did need that sand for sandbags, so I actually got some more sand and brought it over here to the bird hide so they could dig undisturbed, and they actually did. They came over to the bird hide and actually burrowed in the sand right in front of the hide.